Hey guys, my name is Azaria and welcome to my channel. This is a very exciting video today because I am celebrating my 1 year relaxed hair journey. Now this video is very long overdue. I'm actually 1 year and a few weeks post relax at this point. But better late than never. And I'm actually extremely proud of myself for how far I've come, especially in my hair journey over the last year. So throughout this video, I'm just going to use pictures to show you guys just how far I've come and my journey so far with my relaxed hair. So I'm going to start off with the last picture that I ever took of my natural hair. Now, the reason why I relaxed my hair is because I was just absolutely over natural hair, and it got to a point where I was just literally just cutting my hair for weeks at a time just because I was just so unhappy with how my natural hair was looking. In the picture, you can see my hair is actually just like a bowed hair, and I had cut let's say close to 5 or 6 inches off of my hair within the span of about 3 to 4 weeks. Yeah, I was just not having a good relationship with my natural hair. It just wasn't looking right. My hair was always dry, always frizzy. Styles really lasted. I could not use heat in my natural hair. Literally, if I even thought about putting a flat iron to my natural hair, I would immediately get heat damage. And what is the point of having natural hair if you cannot do things with it that you enjoy doing? So it was an actually very stressful process for me, and I was reaching my breaking point and I couldn't deal with it anymore. So I was looking for alternative options of what to do with my hair. Then I fell into the relaxed hair community on YouTube and fell straight into the rabbit hole, and the rest was history. Within the space of about 2 to 3 weeks, I would say, I booked my appointment and got my first relaxer, and we have not looked back since. My first relaxer actually went very well. I did not get any burns. You all know I always speak about my hairstylist, Philly. She is one of the best hairstylists I've ever been to. She knows so much about hair. She teaches me so much about hair. She really cares about the integrity of your hair and really takes her time and does what she has to do, and you come out good results every single time. And she actually did a silk press on my natural hair a few months before, and I was just like, hey, I want to relax my hair. She's like, sure, let's get it done. And yeah, so the process went really well. She did a virgin relaxer on me, and most of my hair process really straight. I have some, like, obviously still have some textured areas in my hair, but I actually don't mind it at all. It's just kind of gives me more body to work with, to be quite honest, and makes my hair look fuller. So I don't mind it. And from then on, I just became team relaxed hair. It became so much easier for me to work with my hair. It was less stress, and I wasn't as drained dealing with my hair than I was with my natural hair. And even though there are some stresses with relaxed hair, it definitely was not as bad as compared to my natural hair. I would say that I definitely had some learning moments. I kind of picked up a few things from a few different relaxed hair YouTubers and tried to incorporate it into my hair care routine, and it actually wasn't working as well for me. So I had to switch up a few things in my routine well over the course of this year, and I just had to figure out what works for me and what doesn't. And I think that's a key part to every hair journey, figuring out what works for you and what works for your hair, because your hair is completely different from the person that you are watching on the screen. So you need to sit with your hair, listen to it, pay attention, see how it likes certain things and situations, and go from there. I definitely enjoyed experimenting with different styles. My favorite style to do still to this day is a braid out. I'm currently rocking a braid out at the moment, and it's just so easy, and it always comes out looking good for me. It gives you this beachy body wave kind of situation. It always looks good, it always looks neat, and you can wear it to almost every occasion. It's a great everyday style. It can be low manipulative depending on how you do it. I don't think it's low manipulative because when I have a braid out, I'm literally rebraiding my hair every single night. But it works for me and it requires minimal effort, which I enjoy. It is my staple go-to hairstyle and I love it. Another one obviously is buns. I wear my, I feel like it's a 50-50. So during the week, my hair is either in a braid out state or when it's not, it's in a bun. And buns work really well just to get my hair out of the way, and yeah, it just gives you a little break and still keeps your hair intact and in a healthy state. And buns are, I think everybody knows buns are kind of essential if you want to have a healthy hair journey. Yeah. But I also did experiment with some heat. I purchased a flat iron from Pennywise, just a basic simple Conair ceramic flat iron. Nothing professional or anything, but it gets the job done. When I want to use heat on my hair and I want to flat iron my hair, and I have no issues with it. I like it. It works for me. And yeah, so I experimented sometime with some heat, and I realized that I like to do heat once a month, like a flat iron once a month, and that works for me. So my heat styles, I wear that for a week. And I would sometimes do a little curl, do it dead straight. I love when I flat iron my hair, I love to have my hair dead straight. And then you add a little ponytail in the middle of the week when your hair starts to get old, and it just looks good. So yeah, I've just been enjoying that and enjoying the journey so far. Throughout this year, I've been really working on getting my routines down. So my wash day routines, very, very important to me. I wash my hair once a week religiously. I only miss when I'm being extremely lazy, but I wash my hair once a week, and wash day to me is very sacred. I take my time, I put on my music, I do my deep condition, and it's just a time for me to just kind of relax a bit. I guess it's a bit relaxing. Relax, just focus and get something done for myself, and I really, really enjoy that time. I've been experimenting with different wash days, and two so far that I have down pack is protein wash days, moisturizing wash days, which is the key things that you need. And my wash days, yes, I'm very proud of myself for getting those down and being consistent with them, sticking to my routine. I do a protein wash day 1 week out of the month, and the other 3 weeks I do a moisturizing wash day. So that's been working for me. I've been seeing the growth. I've been seeing my length coming through, and like, I'm just extremely proud of myself. I didn't think that deciding to relax my hair will get me here, but it did, and I'm very, very happy and proud of myself for that. Another thing that I've been very proud of myself for is doing my research and finding products that work for me. A lot of people will tell you a lot of things and what to use in your hair, but you really, really need to sit down and first analyze your budget, because if people are recommending high-end products that you can't afford, that does not make any sense because you can't afford it. And sometimes high-end products are not necessary to achieve your goals and your hair goals. So just do your own research and try products within your price range, and try to look for products with good ingredients, with good reviews that you think may work for you. And if it doesn't, don't be afraid to try something else, because I've definitely had a few products that I've had to go back to the drawing board and try to figure some things out. But I'm blessed to say that the things that I did try ended up working out really well for me. So I'm very grateful for that. Looking back at my growth progress pictures, it's crazy because seeing my hair every day, I don't see the growth. Actually, small lie. That's a small lie. Because the stage that I am at now, I am obviously seeing my growth and my length, but it took me to reach here to see how much my hair has grown. But before, when I was doing my wash days, sticking to my moisturizing and sealing and just doing my hair on an everyday basis, I really wasn't seeing it that much. But basically, I went from, I guess I would say like shoulder length, slightly below shoulder length hair, to bra strap length within a year. And yeah, I'm satisfied with that. I am happy with my growth and how my hair looks, and there's definitely room for improvement. I'm not perfect when it comes to my hair. There's some things that I need to, get done and maybe improve. One of them being my trims. I don't think that I'm trimming my hair enough. And it is seen like in my ends, they're a little bit uneven, and there's some areas that are shorter than some and longer than some that I need to fix up. But all of that goes with the journey, and it will come, and we have to face it as it comes. And this is something that I am going to address soon. So yeah, so I'm very happy with my length. I'm happy that I'm finally seeing the length of my hair. This is something that I was trying to do when my hair was natural, and I was not succeeding at all. I feel like my hair stayed the same length for 3 years straight, and yeah, so I'm actually very happy that being on my relaxed hair journey, I'm seeing my length and I'm seeing my progress, and I'm proud of myself, and I'm happy to say that. Yeah, guys, so that basically is my general 1 year update of being relaxed. My final advice to you, if you want to relax your hair or if you are interested in relaxing your hair, is to one, find out your why. What is causing you to feel like you need this drastic change in your hair care routine, your regimen, your state, all that. Find out your why, and once you find out your why, two, do as much research as possible. There are a few relaxed hair channels on YouTube that really helped me, really motivated me, and really encouraged me to take this step, and I don't regret it. They are all knowledgeable women, and they have healthy relaxed hair, and it's proven that you can have healthy relaxed hair, and they are just killing the game. So do as much research as you can, educate yourself, and don't be afraid to maybe make a change that may actually work out for you in the long run. And finally, my advice to you if you are thinking about going relaxed is to have patience. Relaxed hair isn't really that much different from having natural hair. You still have to take care of your hair. You can't just relax your hair and leave it. But it is important to have patience and to stick with your routine and be consistent. I say this in, I think, all of my relaxed hair updates. Patience, my dear child, patience. Patience is key to a lot of things in life, and I struggle with it. But having patience with my hair has definitely gotten me through the last year, and it has definitely helped me to see results. And that brings me to the end of this video. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching and being a part of my journey and my reflection. And I hope that if you are on a journey as well, that you are seeing the results that you're hoping for, and that, yeah, that you may prosper and do well. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't already, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.